Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and in today's video you know how I made $9,000 passive income using only one instrument. This instrument you can find on Bybit. If you want to know how I managed to do this and of course repeat my result, be sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I will tell you all the necessary tools and settings that you need for this strategy, and you can start earning right now. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group where you can find a lot of interesting information from Cryptoworld for free. For example, right now I have already posted analytics on Bitcoin. Also, don't forget to claim your personal $4,000 bonus on Bybit. And right now Bybit is giving a lot of extra bonuses on any deposits, including $3,000 if you deposit $250,000. If you don't have such a big deposit, you can claim your $30 welcome gift. You should register using my link, which is in the description. You should copy and paste bonus code, make your first deposit, and you can easily claim your bonus from Bybit. Also, if you register using my link, you can get special bonus from me. Again, you register on Bybit, makes your first deposit from $50, and if you did it, then send me your ID on Bybit right now in private messages. Exactly 2 weeks later, among those who signed up using my referral link and made a $50 deposit, I will raffle off a whole $1,000. There will be only 10 winners. Each of you will be able to take $100 bonuses personally from me. I will give away a whole $1,000. There will be only 10 winners. Each of you will be able to take $100 personally from me. The results you can find in my Telegram group in 2 weeks. It's another reason to subscribe to my Telegram group. So let's get started. Right now you can see the main page of Bybit, and let's see how I managed to earn $9,000 passive income without using future trading or arbitrage. So I use future green bot by Bybit. We will start with the statistics, and after that I show you step-by-step guide how you can make this bot, invest and start earning right now on your first future green bot. So click trade and then click trading bot. You can see Bybit trading bot and also see my bots, my investment, and $9,417 profit. You can see some other bots like spot grid bot, DCA bot, futures grid bot. Later I will make a video about these bots too, and you can also understand how it works, how you can use it and see my results. So let's open my bots and see my profit. The first future green bot was launched 20 days ago. Here Doge USDT pair. So far it has gave $859, which is 42% of the investment. But the most interesting is the future green bot with an investment of $10,000, which brought $6,466, which is 64% of the profit. This bot traded in BTC USDT pair. Also we have bot with ethereum USDT pair, and at the moment this bot gives only 5% profit. Also, I have a bot that has finished its work. This is a bot for the RNDR and USDT contract for one unpopular altcoin. There is a small investment of $2,000. This bot brought me only $31, which is a small percentage, but as you can imagine, altcoins are very volatile. Accordingly, I rarely use altcoins. Basically, it's Ethereum and Bitcoin. They bring good interest. So let's see future green bot in Bitcoin and the USDT pair. Here we can see price range in which our bot traded. We also see the number of trades that the bot completed. The price of Bitcoin right now is $17,000. And now we will look in more detail at the statistics of our bot. So we open the window of our bot in Bitcoin and USDT pair. Here we see grid APR, how much interested we can earn, the amount of investment that we made, the number of trades that the bot made, also the interest that we receive, the profit that the bot made, and the real-time profit, taken into account open trades. Also, we see the parameters, the price at which trades were usually made, number of grids, that is the range in which our bot traded, and the current position that the bot opened, and right now it's in the red by $1,000. But in total we trade in profit. Let's take a closer look at these positions. As you can see, the bot opened 33 sell positions and no buy positions. Let me remind you that I activated this bot 14 days ago, and at that time the price of Bitcoin was in the range from $15,000 to $21,000. Everyone then said that Bitcoin would go higher and reach $30,000. As you can see, our neutral network already knew that it was necessary to make a short position. The bot had certain algorithms and signals on which it works, so such decisions were made. You all know how much the currency market is storming now and how much the price of Bitcoin has fallen. This is why there are such big profits on this bot. There were 33 trades, and we can also look at the history of trades in more details and analyze it. Right now, let's discuss how to set up your first future grid bot. You should click Create, then Trading Bot. Near Future Green Bot, you click Create Now button. After that, you see Open Window. Here we can configure the bot. Now we'll show you how I set up this bot so that it brings passive profit. To begin with, we have a neutral strategy, a long and a short strategy, which is set up for falling market. I advise only advanced traders to choose long or short, because if you are a beginner, you cannot accurately predict how Bitcoin will behave. You shouldn't open trades for long or short, because even experienced traders are sometimes unable to predict this. I advise choosing a neutral strategy. This means that the bot will trade Bitcoin regardless of whether it rises or falls. Algorithms will adjust and trade Bitcoin depending on where the price goes. This is about the strategy of artificial intelligence, which is called IE strategy. There is another manual tab where there are similar settings with a neutral, long and short strategy, and below there are various tabs. Here you can set your own settings, so we can set up a price range where your grid will be placed on which the bot trades. For example, from $13,000 to $20,000. The larger the price range, the more liquidity you need to secure your position. Also, we can make the number of grids of your bot. The more grids, the more security you need to make your bot work. Be careful that the future grid bot has a liquidation price. The lower value of the uppermost value is the liquidation price. If Bitcoin starts to rise sharply and you have indicated a price range between $13,000 and $20,000, and Bitcoin will be $8,000 or $30,000, then you can simply be liquidated. On this setting, the minimum investment we need is $408.04, which is quite a lot. We can also increase the leverage and reduce the amount of investments we need to make. Accordingly, if we make 10 leverage, then the amount of investment is $84. Right now we can launch this bot, which will work partly with the help of artificial intelligence. If you're a fan of more risky strategies, I advise you to put 10 leverage, increase the number of grids, and don't use AE strategy. Let's try the strategy. Click Create Now, then Confirm, and the bot is successfully created. The bot can already trade in plus or minus. Let's now look at the settings of the bot that I created and which traded in profit. I clicked the Create Bot button, left the AE strategy tab, and choose a neutral trading priority and made a deposit amount. In this bot, I suggest investing $2,000. The leverage will be second. If it's safe enough, the profit will be from 1.17% to 1.86%. The number of grids will be 37. We can personally set a profit of 2% and a stop loss of 1%, but I recommend this for more experienced traders. If you don't trust Bybit, set these settings yourself. You can also do this when you test several bots and come to some conclusion. But right now I'm showing the settings that gave me a profit. Click the Create Now button. Let me remind you that I invest $2,000, leave a neutral strategy and put artificial intelligence. Click confirm. Our bot appeared in active bots that are running. We have a bot that we set up ourselves with an investment of $85 and a bot that Bybit created for us. I personally trust this platform. When I set the AI settings, Bybit made me a fairly high profit. I doubt that with my own settings I made so much profit. We can also see the details of this bot and even change the investment we want to make. We can also disable the bot. Well, now let's tell an important detail how to start. First, you need to make a deposit on Bybit exchange. If you don't have an account yet, I highly recommend you create one, especially the recent events when even the largest exchanges are becoming bankrupt, when a huge number of people lose their funds due to the negligence of exchange. As you can see, the FTX exchange went bankrupt and people lost their funds. I trust Bybit cryptocurrency exchange and I can invest money here. So you create an account, you need to make a deposit, press the deposit button, and if you have money on another cryptocurrency exchange, then you can send money here using the QR code or wallet number that will be assigned to your account, or make a deposit using the P2P tab and make a deposit using a bank card. After you have made a deposit, you need to make a transfer to your derivatives account. To do this, press transfer and transfer the required amount of money, for example $100. We return to trade, open the trading bot, click create right now and create the desired bot. It's also easy to make a deposit. If you have already made a deposit to a spot wallet, you can immediately go to the Future Green Bot tab and here in transfer derivatives click transfer and you can transfer money directly to your account. So guys, our bot has been created. I hope you will try this strategy too. Well, I will post the result of this bot in my Telegram group, and together we will see how much profit this bot will make. That's all guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put your likes and comments. Don't forget to participate in my promotion and get $100. To do this, you need to copy your ID on the Bybit exchange, send it to me in private messages, and in 2 weeks we will know the results. It's all for now, bye.